And this is the new updated Advantage Service Cart 2.0, and it comes in this really nice safety blue. You'll also notice that it has new tires on here, and these tires are made out of non-marking rubber. There's no tubes in there, so they're never going to go flat on you. And this is definitely a great upgrade for the service cart. And on the back, it features this built-in rack for your industry standard quart bottles and spray bottle. You also have two holders on the back for your pool brushes or accessories. And on the back, there's a holder for your 5-way test kit. You can also modify this for you if you want, and you can hold a tailored test kit on the back. And there's a holder on front for your vacuum head and vacuum hose. So up to a 50-foot vacuum hose fits comfortably on the front of the cart. And you can put a case on the bottom, and this will hold your acid and chlorine, as well as your net and other accessories. It has this really nice handle on top, so you can easily pull the service cart back to your stop. It also has a built-in telescoping pole holder. And the really nice thing about the Advantage service cart is that you can transport it back to your pool stop without having to lift it onto your truck. And this is a great way to transport your system vac and all of your equipment back to your service stop. You can also purchase their T-bar mount and hitch in safety blue. And with the Advantage manufacturing T-bar mount, you can easily transport 2 service carts on your truck at the same time. And these service carts are handmade and built in the USA. And if you're in the market for a portable filtration system, the PortaVac 2.0 also comes in the safety blue color, and it matches the cart nicely. Pool Service Pro, open a Leslie's wholesale account today and receive wholesale pricing on products used every day. Leslie's Pool Supply offers convenient locations and open 7 days a week. Another great benefit of opening a Leslie's wholesale account is Leslie's referral program. Get referred to a customer looking for weekly pool service, save time and money, and grow your pool service route and become a Leslie's Pro.